channel, you guys. I have a reveal that I want to make. I got this for Valentine's and I brought it up on my last video that I was getting something, and so I've been carrying it for a month. I know I really haven't had time to do the video. I do want to do this reveal, and you guys, I love this bag. I didn't even think about it beforehand. Yeah, I saw it on YouTube here and there and it got really popular. There's people that dislike it, and then there's people that are like, you know, it's okay, and they don't buy it. And then there's people that love it. And I didn't think anything about it until I went to Louis Vuitton when I purchased my Noe BB, I think. But I saw this bag and I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. I tried it on and I completely fell in love with it. And let me show you what it is, you guys. I love this piece. Okay, for the price of the Pochette Accessoires, which is like $700, you guys, this is such a good deal. It comes with the strap. As you guys know, they sell the strap separately. I can't remember how much it is. I'll put the price of the Pochette Accessoires and I'll put the price of this strap on there. And also it comes with this cute smaller piece here. This is a little bit bigger than the Pochette Accessoires, and then this is bigger than the mini Pochette. So you guys, as much as these things cost separately, I felt like this was such a great deal that I had to get it. And look at my beautiful bag charm, you guys. It is cherries. Isn't that cute? And it kind of goes on like the Hermes bag charms, where you kind of go in through the leather like that. Look how cute it is. You guys, I have literally been carrying this bag every day for a month. Well, as you guys know, I have tons of bags and I get compliments on my bags, but this one here, I would say got the most compliments in 1 month that I've been carrying it. I only saw maybe one other person that was carrying this bag that I've noticed, and she had the green olive color strap. But you guys know how much I love pink. If you guys watch my channel before, you know that I love pink, and the strap on this is beautiful. It is gorgeous. And I love how this strap is adjustable. The brass or the hardware on here is like this gold. It stands out. There's vachetta on here and vachetta on here. Vachetta, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. I have treated it with Apple Guard. I do get worried about the strap, especially when I'm drinking coffee and it's on me like this, or when I'm eating and it might fall. But you guys, just take it off, right? And if I have a problem with that, sometimes I'll wear it like this, so I don't have to worry about it as much. But I do have Apple Guard on it. So far, everything's been good. I have not pulled these apart and wore it separately, you guys. But eventually I'm going to. It's just, we don't really go out. I mean, I go to the store, to the grocery store to buy things, and I'll go to Target, I'll go to the mall here and there, but I don't really go out. I've gone out to dinner, but not really with, I don't know, but not on a night out with my husband. We might go out to dinner and stuff like that, but that's about it. But you guys, I will admit, I'm gonna tell you the truth about this bag. It is a little fussy. You know, you got all these things going on. You got the strap, you got this chain here you got to straighten out, and you got this chain here, and then you got to make sure, maneuver, everything's okay. I know some people have complained that when you put stuff in there, it goes like this, you know, it kind of sticks out, but I have not had any problems with that, because I try to carry as least as possible, especially when I carry my little bags. And this bag has I love it. It is one of my cutest bags, okay? And the charm on this thing, oh my goodness, it just goes so well. And this chain here, it is so cute with this bag. Now, if you guys watched many YouTube videos, you guys would know on this bag, you guys know that this piece here comes off, okay? So you know the mini Pochettes are running like $500. This is a little bit bigger than the mini Pochette. My phone actually fits in here. I got the iPhone 12 and it fits in there perfectly. This is just the cutest piece. I think it's so cute. I can hang bag charms on here, whatever. I love the fact that it's bigger than my mini Pochette. So I have a variety of sizes. And this thing here, oh my goodness, it's bigger than my Pochette Accessoires, which cost, like I said, over $700. And this piece here is just so cute. I think I will buy a little chain to go on here because, as you know, the chain on this bag, let me show you guys if you don't know. Look at here, the clasp is on here, so you can't put this on the big bag here, because as you can see here, there's nothing to, you know, grab onto, so you don't get to put that little chain on there. But you can buy a separate chain, whatever length you want, or you can buy a Vuitton strap to put on here, which will work as well. But you guys, I really like this bag here. So, and I love, love, love this strap. This strap, I bought a double zip pochette, or whatever you call it. I think it's called the double zip with Vivian on here from 2020. I have used, or haven't used the bag, but I have put this strap onto that bag, and oh my goodness, it is just gorgeous. You know what? Let me go get it. Okay, you guys, I am back. Let me go ahead and show you what this, oh my God, this thing here is, I love this piece. Look at that. So I'm gonna show you what this strap looks like on. My cute little piece here. I mean, I am ooh-ah over this strap. I mean, look how cute that is. Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks adorable. And this bag actually comes with a chain, so I can actually use it on the bigger Pochette Accessoire if I wanted to. So see that? So I can use this together if I don't want to use the other strap. You know, if I don't want to use this strap, so I can kind of move my straps around, which I love. I am so glad I got this bag because I felt like it was so versatile, and I really, really wanted this strap bag, but you know, it cost like $800. So also have, as you guys know, my Boite Pochette, I don't know what this is called, I can't even remember. So I got this strap, so I can use this, and this one is adjustable, so if I wanted, I can do that as well. So I love that I got this bag because I felt like this is just perfect for me. And the reason why I decided to get it is because when I was there and I was getting my other bag, my Noe BB, I was looking at this strap at the store and I thought how beautiful it was, and I really wanted the pink really, really bad. So I decided, okay, I'll just go ahead and ask my husband for the whole thing, the whole multi-pochette. And it really, really, I'm telling you, I'm very, very happy that I got it. And let me go ahead and show you this too. So I have, this is another strap that I have. So if I wanted, I could even do like a little clutch. So I thought that was super cute too. So that strap is from this bag that I got, which I love this piece. So I got this, and then now I got the Pochette Accessoire from the multi-pochette. And I also can take this, put it on here, which I used it on this a few times, and you guys, how cute is that? How cute is that? So I love my little pieces here. I do use this as well often. This is like the cutest piece, you guys. So anyways, I'm so excited that I got my Pochette Accessoire. Have no regrets. Yes, it's fussy. So remember that, you guys, it is fussy, but I just love every piece that it comes with, and I am so glad that I have it. No regrets whatsoever. And then the compliments I get on it, and then how cute it looks on me. So you guys, hold on. I am gonna do matcha, and forgive me for my hair. It kind of looks horrible. So let me go ahead and put this strap back on. Let me show you what it looks like. There you go. Excuse my room, you guys. It is kind of messy, but I just thought this was just so cute. And you guys, remember, this is completely adjustable, so you guys can put it up higher. You can wear it up a lot higher, just like this. And it is just super, super, super cute. You guys, I love it. I love it. I'm so glad I have it. And then my cute little, and then here's my cute little bag trim, you guys. I'll have to put the link, not the link, but the website or the name of the company and on there. And look at that. Look at that. Look how cute that is. There you go. So you guys, let me know what you guys think of my cute bag. I'm so excited about it. I'm excited because it just falls right into my collection just perfectly. It's everything that I've needed, except don't like the fussiness, okay? Don't like it, but it's way worth it, okay? It's way worth it. So you guys, thank you for watching my channel. I want to thank all my subscribers. I greatly appreciate you guys. And thank you for thinking about us when we had that awful weather here in Texas. It was awful. I don't think anyone, not many people here in San Antonio took a lot of showers. I don't think, it was just an awful thing. So anyways, you guys, have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye.